हेलो एवरीवन, सिद्धार्थ जैन दिस साइड फ्रॉम हाउस वाले। जो आप मेरे पीछे बिल्डिंग देख रहे हैं, दैट इज क्रिजुमी वाटरफॉल रेजिडेंस। इट वाज लॉन्च 5 years बैक एट 8500 rupees per square feet. Now it's reselling at 18 to 19,000 rupees per square feet. They are giving possession in next 2 months. It is just next to Global City. If you want to invest in Kruzumi Waterside Residence, which is their third phase, please contact House Wale. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks.